These 84 Flowers toilet cleaner gel stamps were sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing them and showing how they look once they're applied to the inside of the toilet bowl. Inside the box you get the gel stamp applicators along with multiple colorful gel refills. As I'm taking everything out, I show the different colors up close so you can see the variety that's included. Next, I apply the gel stamps to the inside of my toilet bowl. The application process is quick and simple. You position the applicator against the inside of the bowl, press, and it leaves behind a flower-shaped gel stamp. One thing I like is how well the flower shape holds once it's applied. At the end of the video, I show all the different colored flower stamps inside of the toilet so you can compare how each one looks. The manufacturer states that these are designed to help freshen the toilet, deodorize the bowl, and provide a long-lasting fragrance as the gel gradually dissolves with normal flushing. Overall, I think these are a fun alternative to a traditional toilet bowl cleaner. Between the easy application, colorful flower-shaped design, deodorizing function, and long-lasting fragrance, there is a simple way to add a little more color and freshness to your bathroom.